What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to get this video out to you right now because you never know how the crypto market is going to work. It's always temperamental. But I talked about Solana a while ago. I can't remember exactly how long ago it was, but I did talk about Solana a really, really long time ago. It was like 10 months ago, actually. That's the first time I really mentioned it at the lower points. Now, I did mention it well before that, before it blew up to about 200 plus and got to about $100 billion market cap. And as we saw that opportunity, I was like, all right, well, I missed that opportunity that was there. It was at like $26, and we had the chance to grow all the way up to that $200+ mark. It would have been basically a, 10x that was there. Why couldn't I think of math at all? It would have been a 10x there, adding a zero to it. Adding a zero to how much I invest. So if I invested 1,000, it would have been 10,000. But honestly, Solana was one of those plays that you didn't only want to invest 10 or 1,000. You wanted to invest like 10,000 and work your way up to investing as much as you possibly can because you really did believe in what they do, right? And the people that were behind it as well. Like, I mean, investors that are behind it. So the different, factors that went into it were really just going directly to invest a boatload of money into it at the right time. And honestly, I missed my opportunity again, but I'm glad that so many other people actually found that opportunity and were able to invest. During this low point that we saw, I'm going to show you exactly 10 months ago when I did show this video, or show this in a video, and what price it was at when I was talking about it on my Matthew Perry 2 channel. And I think you kind of get a sense of exactly like what I mean. I'm saying that it has a lot of potential to run. I'm not going to show you anything within the video. I'm just going to show you where the price was and then explain exactly what my thoughts actually were, kind of articulated in a better manner. So guys, Solana has been blowing up today. It's been blowing up for a while now, but we've seen a lot of people that have made moves, that have sold some, and it's okay to sell some. I mean, at that point, from these levels, you're up a lot. And we're going to go through not just the day, but we're going to go through the week. We're going to go through the month. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also down there. Don't forget about my Rumble account or my credit card YouTube account. If you guys like credit cards, or if you like what I do here, feel free to go and follow me on Rumble. If anything happens over here where YouTube decides to just ban accounts for banning accounts, then we now have Rumble. We have a little bit of a backup where you guys can go over there and support me over there. So feel free to subscribe over on my Rumble. I'll leave the link down in the description. But yeah, let's talk about Solana. Right? Solana has been kind of the topic of conversation for pretty much, I don't know, the last 2 weeks at this point. I mean, people have been talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also XRP because of all the things that are going on with the SEC and everything that's happening with the Bitcoin ETF and stuff like that. But let's get to like where I mentioned Solana and how far or how long ago that was. So if we look at this video, and hopefully it does come up. Yeah, we look at this video. If you go in 1 minute and 44 seconds, you see exactly what the price of Solana was, right? Do you see that? This was 10 months ago and it was at $11.21. I don't know if you know where Solana is right now before actually seeing me bring it up, but it's definitely way higher than where we are right now, or where this is right now. So $11.21. Did it grow anywhere from that? So from that point, it did end up growing up to about $17 or $21. People ended up making money. They profited off of it, and I'm happy about it. At that time, I did not have any money to invest. Those were at the kind of lows, and YouTube wasn't really giving me as much revenue. I didn't really have as much to throw into cryptocurrency projects. And I'm upset with myself because I would have loved to have thrown something into Solana. And I said it within the video that I really wanted to throw something into Solana, but I didn't have the funds to do that. I was going to take something from something else, but I didn't want to do that either because taking something from something else is not really my strategy. So anyways, it was at $11.21, and that was about 10 months ago where I did make this video here. And as I saw that opportunity, I knew that a bunch of people would find the ability to profit off of that. And if you are one of those people that profited off of it from seeing that video, let me know in the comment section that you were one of those people that bought the position and saw it as an opportunity just like I did. But we have some big movers in the market today, right? Even though everything else is not really moving to, the largest upside, we are seeing some movers, and one of those being Solana. Now we have Celestia that's up. That's a position that I now do hold as well. But Solana is up 18.77%, almost at $43 from a level of $11.21 up to $43 as of time of recording right now. It's $43.16, and it's still climbing. It can get up to $44, which means that it will be officially, a 300% gain from there. That would be absolutely insane. And the fact that it literally didn't only, double in price, but tripling in price, adding on another $11, another $11, another $11. Like, adding on that is fantastic. It's absolutely amazing. From seeing where it is, you add on, $200. Or so if you have $100, you have $200, $300, $400 that you have there adding on. So a gain of 300%. So anyways, it's at $19, or sorry, not $19, 1946%. You see the 7 days at 32.5%, 32.4%, sitting at $43. This is insane with that growth. Let's look at the chart and how this has moved. And you could see how the chart is just insanely bullish. It hasn't had a proper retracement. Somebody asked me about this like earlier today, and they were like, would you make a move into Solana right now? And I was like, honestly, I would not. It's moving just like it did in the past, where it was at $26 and then started moving and moving and moving and didn't stop moving, didn't have any form of retracement besides when it hit $90. It started retracing down to about $80, $75, and then picked back up and broke over that $100 barrier and pushing up to 150, pushing up to 200, and it just really didn't stop. So I mean, it gets people excited. I'm excited about it. It's excited about where it could go. Again, in the last 7 days, it's up 32.43%. In the last month, it's up 79%, right? From this low level of $21, it's up 79%. If we look at some history here where we saw that, yes, it's showing it's at 33%. 33.59% from here, because you're really looking at where it started. But once we get to a point where it shows December to December, this is going to look like it's up 1,000%. It's going to look like it's up, 1,500% or whatever, however high this does go, if we are seeing that this is going to be the bull market. So for me, I'm excited about it, but am I doing anything? No. I missed my opportunity again. And this time, it wasn't because I decided or I forgot about doing it. The reason why I missed my opportunity now is because I just didn't have the funds. I could have taken something out of something else, but I really didn't want to do that. So I didn't have the funds, and I hope you guys did have the funds to be able to profit from this. But if you did, taking your initial investment is not a bad idea. Being comfortable with your initial investment is not a bad idea. I'm not saying that it's not going to go further. I'm saying that you want to develop a strategy so that when you do see this for everything else that's in your portfolio, that ends up, seeing the same type of benefits, and you don't see it come back and you lose all of those gains, So anyways, let me know what you think about Solana and where things are going right now, because it looks absolutely amazing. Up, 33% over the last year. And today alone, it's up about 20%. Last 7 days, 32%. Absolutely phenomenal. So I just want to sit here and tell you that I told you that you shouldn't sleep on Solana. And, some people listened to that. They didn't sleep on it, and soul exploded. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, if you want to check out my Rumble, or if you want to check out my merch, I have merchandise down below, Profits Apparel. If you want to check that out, and we got the profits, separated word, but you put it together, you got profits. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.